Hello friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashish, medical at GMC Madhya Pradesh, and this video I will be telling you about the medial wall of the nose, which is also called the nasal septum, and the lateral wall of the nose. When I talk about the important topics from the nose part, they are the two and the only important topic of the nose, that is the topic that we are going to discuss. We will start with the medial wall first, or the nasal septum first, and then we will discuss about the lateral wall. I have here two models along with one diagram to have a good illustration of the topic that we are going to discuss. Best way to study about the medial wall or the lateral wall is to have a comparative study of both. This video deals with the comparative study of the framework of both, and the next videos that I will be uploading soon will be of the artery supply and the nerve supply, which are also very important. The medial wall is made up of both bony part and a cartilaginous part, so it is also called the osseo-cartilaginous partition between the two nasal cavities. I hope you have a good orientation of the previous model that we have been discussing on for a quite few videos. That is this model, in which the outer part denotes the external nose, and we have a cavity in between which is called the nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is divided into two by this medial wall. So medial wall of the nose divides the nasal cavity into two parts, that are the two nasal cavities, left and right. This is this nasal septum. If you take out, and you will see it has one bony part that is situated posterior and a cartilaginous part which is situated anterior. The story of the medial wall is to know about the parts it is made up of, that is which all bones contribute to the bony part and which all to the cartilaginous part. So let's have a look on the diagram first. But before discussing the diagram, let's orient ourselves to the theory part. The bony part is made up of two bones. We have two bones on the bony side, that is the perpendicular plate of ethmoid and a vomer bone. So the bony part is situated posterior. The posterior part is itself divided into two. We have posterior superior part and a posterior inferior part. The posterior superior part, we have the perpendicular plate of ethmoid, and posterior inferior part we have the vomer. So vomer is situated here, and above we have the perpendicular plate of ethmoid, that is PPE. Okay, so bony part we have two bones, but apart from these two bones we have number of contribution from other bones as well, like that of maxilla or the frontal bone. If I say about the contribution from other bones is only 2 to 3%, while the perpendicular plate and the vomer itself contribute about 97 to 98% of the total nasal septum. Now let's see about the cartilaginous part. The cartilaginous part is made up of a septal cartilage and the septal process of two major alar cartilage. So this is the two major alar cartilage that we have discussed in the video of the external nose. If we have discussed in detail about all the structure that is made up of the two cruras or the shape that we have talked about. If you have not watched the video yet, please go to a playlist section of the nose anatomy and have a look on it. Now we have to see about the cartilaginous part. In the cartilaginous part, again we have two cartilage, that is the septal cartilage and the septal process of two major alar cartilage. Now let me tell about the major alar cartilage in brief. See, the major alar cartilages are on both sides of the nose and is horseshoe shape or U shape. Okay, so we have the U, two limbs of the U. Suppose these are the two limbs of the U. The lateral one is called the lateral crura. This is called lateral crura, and the medial one is called the medial crura. Okay, so the medial crura forms the septal process of the two major alar. So let's see in the diagram how they are oriented in your nasal septum. So how to study about the medial wall, or how to have a view of the diagram? See, just suppose this is the nasal septum. You take it out the nasal septum and have a view of it from the, this is the anterior side and this is the posterior side. So this is how the nasal septum looks. So we have divided the nasal septum into two, anterior part and a posterior part. So by this line we divide the nasal septum into two, the posterior part and an anterior part, but the posterior part itself divided into two, that is superior and inferior. In the posterior superior part हमारे पास क्या क्या है? We have one major bone that is called the PPE, perpendicular plate of ethmoid, and down we have the one more bone that is called the vomer. So vomer कहाँ है? Vomer situated posterior-inferiorly and PP situated posterior-superiorly. Now I hope that it's very clear. Now in the anterior side we have two cartilages. So posterior क्या होता है, बोन्स होते हैं, और एंटीरियर क्या होता है, कार्टिलेजेस होते हैं. एंटीरियर कार्टिलेज कौन कौन से हैं? सेप्टर कार्टिलेज. तो जो बड़ा कार्टिलेज यहाँ पर दिख रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड द सेप्टर कार्टिलेज, एंड द स्मॉलर कार्टिलेज situated anterior is none other than the septal process of major alar. So posterior we have this part, all this part are the bony part, and anterior we have the cartilaginous part. So as I told you about the medial and the lateral crura of the which cartilage, that is the major alar, they are joined in the middle. So this is the base of the nose or the base of the nasal cavity, and these are the two nostrils, right and left nostrils. See here, these are the, suppose this is the nasal septum, and these are the left and right nostrils, and you are having a view from the anterior side. Okay, तो आपको कुछ ऐसा केव जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखेगा. तो यहाँ पर जो केव का जो मिडल बाउंड्री, दो केव का जहाँ से जॉइन है, यहाँ पे एक कैसे फॉर्म हो रहा है? इट इज़ फॉर्म बाय द जॉइनिंग ऑफ द मिडियल क्रूरा. एक मिडिल क्रूरा लेफ्ट का और एक राइट का मिडल में जॉइन होकर फॉर्म कर रहे हैं बीच वाला पार्टीशन, विच ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट टू द नेजल सेप्टम. एंड दिस पार्ट इन द सेंटर इज कॉल्ड द कोलुमेला. सो कोलुमेला इज नथिंग बट द combining or united structure formed by the two medial crura. So this is what written in the theory part. The medial crura of the two major alar cartilage situated anteriorly. This is the major alar cartilage. You can have a view on the external nose video. Please have a look on it, and you will have a greater view of the or broader view of the topic that we have discussed. So they are joined in the midline by a fibrous tissue to form the columella. Columella also converts or also contribute to the nasal septum. But between the columella and the caudal border of the septal cartilage, this is the caudal border of septal cartilage, and this is the columella. Between that you can see a gap is present. This gap is neither form of bone nor the cartilage, but is just a fold of skin. So that is what it is written in the theory part, that is between the columella and the caudal border of the septal cartilage we have a small portion है हमारे पास, जो कि डबल लेयर ऑफ स्किन से बना होता है. That is called the membranous septum. I hope the point is very clear to you now. Now let's move on to the lateral wall and have a look on it. So lateral wall is quite complex. आपने कभी पहले पढ़ा होगा तो पता होगा कि lateral wall बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर है, क्योंकि हमारे पिछले वीडियो में क्या थे, पिछले पार्ट में क्या था, मीडियल वॉल में सिर्फ 4 ही कंट्रीब्यूशन थे, 2 बोनी और 2 कार्टिलेजेस. बट लेटरल वॉल में नंबर ऑफ कार्टिलेजेस और बोन्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. But I have simplified the way to learn the bony part, which are made up of number of structure. So I spend a lot of time making all these models and finding out the way to remember. So please, if you like the work, please do hit the like button and subscribe our channel. और हाँ यार, एक शेयर तो बनता है प्लीज़. So bony part, the way to remember is the lateral wall is also osteocartilaginous. It is made up of bony part and a cartilaginous part. So the bony part, or the trick to remember the bony part is मेरी front pick लेना. So you have to take the pick of me from the front side, that is in Hindi it is called मेरी front pick लेना. ठीक है, तो मेरी stands for medial pterygoid plate. Okay, मेरी stands for medial pterygoid plate. Front stand for, front is very clear. We have only one contribution from the maxilla part, that is the frontal process of the maxilla in the case of the lateral wall. The P stands for perpendicular plate of the palatine bone. I stands for inferior nasal concha, and C stands for concha and labyrinth of ethmoid. That's why I have placed the two concha together, which is very important structure, or that the structure that makes the lateral wall complex are this structure and are the identifying mark from the lateral wall and separates it or distinguish it from the medial wall. And Lena stands for lacrimal, that is lacrimal bone, and the nasal bone. I hope the bony part is very clear to you now. You can have a look and write down in your notes this trick, and you can easily recall the bony part whenever the examiner asks you in your viva. The cartilages are actually 3 in number: upper nasal, lower nasal, and 3 to 4 minor alar cartilage. But you might be remembering or thinking about in the external nose, I told you about other cartilage like this, the cartilage. We have told about the lateral cartilage, major alar and minor alar, where these two upper and nasal, lower nasal came from. But let me just tell you, these are nothing but the lateral and the major alar cartilage. The upper nasal cartilage is the other name for the lateral cartilage, and the lower nasal cartilage is the other name for the major alar, the blue color cartilage that you see in this model. We divide the lateral wall into three areas. So this is the lateral wall that we will discussing in the next video about the all this projection that you are seeing that makes the lateral wall complex. So चिंता मत करिए, बहुत आसान है, एक बार बस पूरा वीडियो देखिए, ये वाला पार्ट जो नेक्स्ट वाला आएगा वो पूरा आपका टॉपिक क्लियर हो जाएगा. सी द लेटरल वॉल डिवाइडेड इनटू थ्री एरियाज, एंटीरियर एरिया, मिडल एरिया एंड द पोस्टीरियर एरिया. अब भाई देखो पोस्टीरियर एरिया ना बड़ा है, ओके, पोस्टीरियर इज़ वेरी लार्ज, मिडल एरिया इज़ comparative larger than the anterior, and the anterior is the smallest area. So this black hair that you are able to see, these are all the hairs of the nose. Have a closer look. These are all are the hairs of the nose. So these are the occupying the anterior area or the vestibule area. This is called the anterior area of the lateral wall. So here the anterior area of the lateral wall is a small depressed area or the vestibule. I taught you about the vestibule when talked about the nasal cavity, so you can relate this part with that video. So it is lined by skin containing vibrissae. What are these vibrissae? These hairs that you see, these are the short stiff hairs, and the other name for it is the vibrissae. So vibrissae are the short stiff hairs present in the vestibule area of the nose. Now this you can see, this is the anterior margin. This anterior margin is called, from where the anterior part start, is called the Lyman nasal. So I will tell you about this next. area is the area between anterior and the posterior area. ठीक है, पोस्टीरियर एरिया बहुत बड़ा है, जहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है ना कि सब प्रोजेक्शन निकलना, देखिए ऐसे इसमें प्रोजेक्शंस निकले हुए हैं. तभी लेटरल वॉल ऐसे कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है और नेजल कैविटी एग्जैक्ट वैसी नहीं होती जैसे हम सोचते हैं. आपको हम पिछले वीडियो में बता भी चुका हूँ इसके बारे में अच्छे से. ठीक, ऐसे प्रोजेक्शन निकले होते हैं, इनका नाम है कॉनके, और मेटेस क्या होता है आपको बताऊँगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तो मिडल एरिया कहाँ है? ये पोस्टीरियर बॉर्डर यहाँ पर जहाँ से स्टार्ट होते हैं ये हो गया, और एंटीरियर बॉर्डर ये हो गया जिसे बोलते हैं लाइमन नेसी. सो द जंक्शन बिटवीन द एट्रियम and the vestibule. Atrium क्या है? It is the other name for middle area. So middle area is also known as the atrium of middle meatus. So it is limited above by a faint ridge. देखिए यहाँ पर आपको ऐसे उभार दिख रहा होगा ना, ये उभार क्या है? This ridge is called the एगरनेजी. तो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स किसी को लगता है एगरनेजी बोल दो तो ये क्या आ गया भाई, ये कौन सा नया स्ट्रक्चर है? ये कुछ नहीं है, ऐसे एक उभार है नोज़ में, जैसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्शन दिख रहे हैं ना. सिमिलरली दिस इज़ ऑल्सो रिज, वेरी स्मॉल रिज और वेरी स्मॉल प्रोजेक्शन विच इज़ कॉल्ड द एगरनेजी एंड मार्क्स द अपर बाउंड्री ऑफ द मिडल एरिया. मिडल एरिया इज बाउंडेड पोस्टरली बाय द कॉन्केन मेडिटस एंड द एंटीरियर बाय द लाइमन नेसी. The posterior area, as I told you, has three projection. The first projection is this is the second projection, and this is the third projection. These are called the concave or the turbinate, and the spaces in between is called the meatus. So next video is only about we have some structures also, or some spaces or communications of the lateral wall, and we'll discussing about the concave metastasis in the next video. So if you're new to our channel and have not subscribed our channel yet, please click on the subscribe button below and do subscribe and share our channel. Thanks for watching.